Today I'm playing Animal Restaurant. Mm. Well, we got in a Goomy's kitchen. First customers achievement. Great. Good choice. Chinchilla! Hired like a mod of Kate and me picnic in the forest? Poof! That child played to me, watch me rig it. What is it? Can you tell with artwork display the two of you and think who the world in the Jurassic era? Rescued the dinosaurs and became the friends that how you ended up having a picnic together in the forest. What, even faints? Oh my, we finished the country yard.
Mornings are the worst, but a little shower concerto walk when you can fly. Take that, Monday. Find your unique way to relax with My Talking Tom 2.
I need to get and not think about just not see where I and having to set me and I don't know.